In this video,
we will learn how to install Rampage Trainer in GTA 5. In GTA 5, in order to install the Rampage Trainer, firstly all you need to do is come into your web browser. From here type Rampage Trainer GTA 5 and click on the GTA 5 mods website address. From here choose what GTA version you are using. If you are using the enhanced version, you need to download this file, and if you are using the legacy version, you have to download this file. After that, click on download and the download should begin. Also, you'll need to have script2v installed inside your GTA folder in order to make the Rampage Trainer work. So you can download this from here. Now here is the downloaded file. Firstly, we'll need to extract them into a new folder. Head into that folder, head into Rampage. Now we have to copy all these files from here and paste them in the GTA 5 directory. In order to find the GTA 5 directory, open the game launcher you use to play GTA 5, click on the three dot, head to manage. Then from here, go to the installation location by clicking on this folder icon. Just paste them in here. And now you can go and launch up your game. Now after you open up GTA 5, a menu like this will appear to get you used to the basic usage of the Rampage Trainer. You can just click accept, and in order to open it, all you need to do is just press F5 and you can find all the options from here, including various player animation, all the weapon cheats, vehicle spawning, teleportation, and so on. So this is how you can easily install Rampage Trainer in your GTA 5 game and enjoy the game as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.